Menteri ki Kampen Roysor ke Jela Meghalaya ubak Hamlet Sondoleng haga la si ublei jong katayo ula pentip ke Sorkar Jela kalapen krek ban penteri kamno ya ki jingtai hapo ke Smart City Project ki ban kentup ya ki jingtai ya ka yo lat mkra ka yo polo bat ki surok ha keleng ke jaka ke ban kot baro shispa sab kundai klur tengka. Menteri habai kran bagi nong patai kubor ulong ba kenong ba shlong kadai kawe ni shispa atli kinong ba ki belas ajit akathop jong ke Smart City Project haga senam arah zarkat pra. Bat ke Jela haba pen krek ban pentelun ki kam ki jam kalathau ke Special Purpose Vehicle haga kerteng jong ke Smart City Limited. Uitho bahagani ke projek ke Sorkar Pedeng ba ke Sorkar Jela kan hab ban bay marsan pho nak chispa kapisa. Wong ba ke Sorkar Jela kan sawat kilat kelenti ban penmi kapisa nak benta ban pentrei ki projek haba pentip ru bakin don katokani ki projek ya ki ban sa pentrei lengba ke rukom trekam Public Private Partnership. Haba pentip ba ke Sorkar keladap ban itho ki katokani ki projek. Menteri Wetu Basyan ke Sorkar kan sa IT no ya ke work order na ke benta bantai thamai ya ke yo lat mkra ha ke jingmang tengka ke bakot live hoklor tengka bat kan sakot tender ru na ke benta ke yo polo ya ke balamang prap hoklor tengka nalor ke jingshna ya ke Smart Road Habivar Road ke bajrong ke 100 km ha ke jingmang pisa bakot live pusan klor tengka na kaliang CEO ke Smart City Limited Dr. TV Krishnamurthy uli tho ba ke Smart Road Project ki kam ki ban pentrei kin kenthop ya ki lentiyat kejat ki traffic signal bat kumjuru ban siang no ki wire boarding bat ki pipe napok jong surok. Habakli hakabede bat ke project iconic structure blatrwa bantai haplau jong ke office PWD Habarik Point. Menteri ula pentip ba ke Sorkar kan sechim tino shen ya kene kejakan ke bentaban sna ya kene kejingtai. Habakli pat alok jingtmu ban penlong ya kene kejaka kum kejaka ya ki jing seng bhalang ke besriem bat ke jantar mantar Delhi. Balapan Menado Chairman ke State Planning Board, Menteri Uang Bagi Sorkar Kampat dan Setia ya kanu kenu kejeng temu ban penlong jakaya ki ya kene kejaka.
The project which we have already started, we will be issue the work order for construction of the light market. And number two, within this month, we will call again the tender for the Pulau market, and also we will call tender for the Smart Road project from behind the Rajbhavan,
Beaver Road, the Traverse Road, all those roads will be converted into smart roads. As a pilot project, we are taking 6 kilometers in the first instance. After that, we'll take up another 25 kilometers. In addition to that, you'll be having smart lighting. In addition to that, you'll be having a duct underground, wherein we'll try to put all the overhead lines, whether it's optic, whether it's power lines, any other line, all the lines will go underground. And subject to all the utility lines like the water pipelines, if there is any sewer line, whatever, or the stormwater drainage, everything will go underground. So that is what constitutes smart. Plus, in addition to that, in the technology sense, we can capture the volume of traffic using the road. Whether a vehicle is speeding or not, suppose if 60 kilometers is their designated speed limit, if somebody travels more than 60, we can pick up that data. So there are various elements that make a part of a smart road. But every element cannot be put into every project. We have to see what elements go into this project. So at this point in time, we are talking of putting all the utilities underground,